The midpoints of the four sides of a rectangle are -3, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4, and 0, 4. What is the area of the rectangle? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's plot the four midpoints on a grid. Connecting them in order gives a four-sided figure. Here is the key fact. The midpoints of the four sides of a rectangle always form a rhombus. And there is a beautiful relationship. The rectangle's area is exactly twice the area of this rhombus. So if we find the rhombus area, we just double it. To find a rhombus's area, we use its two diagonals, which join opposite midpoints. The first diagonal goes from -3, 0 to 5, 4. Its length is the square root of 8 squared plus 4 squared, which is the square root of 80. The second diagonal goes from 2, 0 to 0, 4. Its length is the square root of 2 squared plus 4 squared, which is the square root of 20. A rhombus's area is 1/2 times the product of its diagonals. That is 1/2 times root 80 times root 20. Root 80 times root 20 is the square root of 1600, which is 40. So the rhombus area is 1/2 of 40, which is 20. Finally, the rectangle's area is twice the rhombus area. 2 times 20 is 40. The answer is 40. The area of the rectangle is 40.